Hi everyone, welcome to Save Lectures. I am Sneha Reddy. In this video, we will learn about Krishnagatha Netra Rogas. I came up with the easiest way with tricks to make you understand and remember. Let's start. There are total 4 Krishnagatha Netra Rogas. I made mnemonics to remember them. Let's see. Ajo developed Vrana in its Akshi. Let us decode this line. Ajar denotes Ajaka Jata and its modern correlation is iris prolapse. Vrana denotes Avrana Shukla and Savrana Shukla. Modern correlation of Avrana Shukla is non-ulcerative keratitis and modern correlation of Savrana Shukla is ulcerative keratitis. Akshi denotes Akshipakatyay and its modern correlation is panophthalmitis. Let us look at the Sadhya Sadhyata of these 4 Krishnagatha Netra Rogas. Among 4, only Avrana Shukla is Sadhya and it is Ashastrakrut. That means treatment is carried out without any Shastakarma and remaining 3 are Asadhya. Note: the treatment principles are explained even for Asadhya Rogas such as Savrana Shukla and Ajakajata. Let us see the dosha involved. Among 4, only Akshipakatya is Sannipataja. The disease attains Paka or chronicity when all the 3 doshas are vitiated, that is, in Sannipataja Avastha. Hence remember Akshipakatyaya as Sannipataja and remaining 3 Krishnagata Rogas are Raktaja. Thanks for watching. My next video topic is Sarvagata Netra Roga. To get notification, do subscribe and press the bell icon. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can comment below. Do like this video to keep up my confidence.